Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a continuation of quadratic equation. In my previous video I have completed till 1 mark problems. So let us start now 2 marks problems from department booklet. Okay, so the first question in 2 marks problems are: find the value of p for which 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equals to 0 has equal root. Okay, find the value of k. Find the value of k for which 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equals to 0 has equal root. Okay, so first question is find the value of k for which the equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0 has equal root. Okay, it is given since it is given that equation has equal root. It is told in the question. Therefore d is equal to 0. What is d now? D is nothing but b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So by comparing ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, value of a value is a is equals to 2, b is equals to k and c is equals to 3. So let us now substitute in this. B value is k square minus 4 into a value is 2 into c value is 3 equal to 0. K square as it is minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is equals to 0. K square minus, if we take that side it becomes plus, is equals to 24. K is equals to plus or minus root 24. So plus or minus root 24 is nothing but k is equals to plus or minus 4 6 are 24. K is equals to plus or minus root 4 is 2 root 6. Find the value of k, they have told now. Therefore k is equals to plus or minus 2 root 6. Okay, let us see the second question. Solve by factorization. Here the word factorization they have given. Solve by factorization. So the equation is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Question is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Solve by factorization. So before we write, we have to write this in the standard form. So we will multiply this 8 to these two terms also. 8 2s are 16 x square minus 8 into 1 is 8x plus 1 upon complete 8 equal to 0. In next step this 8 will go and multiply here. So 0 multiplied by any number is 0. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is now standard form. So let us find now first and last number. 16 ones are 16 x square. Now we need to find two factors in such a way that when we add and subtract we need to get minus 8, and when we multiply we need to get 16. So minus we need 4x into minus 4x. See, minus minus plus 4 4s are 16x square. So we got 16x square as it is minus 4x in place of minus 8x minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now let us see what is common here. Here we can see 4 is common in this 2 bracket and this 2 bracket. 4 is common. If we take 4 common, 4 4s are 16, 4x square minus 4 already common, only x will 4x is common, sorry. 4x is common. I'll cut this step, you just see properly. Not only 4 and x is common. So 4x if I take common, 4 4s are 16, x square is there, 1x we have taken outside, so 4x minus complete 4x is common, nothing means 1. Here we can see nothing is common, so minus 1 we will take as common. Minus 1 I have taken common, minus becomes plus 4x, I have taken minus common here, so minus 1 is equals to 0. Now 4x minus 1, out of two brackets I have taken one bracket common. What is left? 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So here 4x minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. 4x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 by 4, or same thing, 4x is equals to 1, x is equals to 1 by 4. So the two roots are 4x is equals, x is equals to 1 by 4, x is equals to 1 by 4. Now let us check third question. What is the third question here? Solve by using formula. So here we have two methods to solve. One is factorization method, solve by using formula method. So let us solve by using formula method now. Next question. The question is question number 3. Solve by using formula method, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, let us compare this. Comparing this equation with standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A value is 2, b value is minus 7 and c is equals to 3. So by formula method they have told now, so x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x is equals to formula minus as it is. This is formula minus I wrote. B value is minus 7 plus or minus root of b square is minus 7 square minus 4 into a value is 2, c value is 3 upon 2, a value is 2. Okay, so x is equals to minus minus plus 7 plus or minus root of minus negative number square is positive, 7 square is 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. I'll write 24 upon 2 2s are 4. X is equals to 7 plus or minus 49 minus 24 is 25 upon 4. X is equals to 7 plus or minus root 25 is nothing but 5 upon 4. Now here we will get to value. X is equals to 7 plus 5 by 4 or x is equals to 7 minus 5 by 4. X is equals to 7 plus 5 by 4 is 12 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. X is equals to 3. Here x is equals to 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 by 4. So x is equals to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2. So 1 x value is 3 we got. One more x value is we got 1 by 2. Let us see next question now. Question number 4. Find the discriminant of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0, and hence write the nature of root. Okay, write the nature of root also they have told. So the question is question number 4. Find the discriminant and also nature of root. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A value is 2, b value is minus 5 and c value is 3. Now what they have told here, find the discriminant. D is equals to, we know that b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. D is equals to minus 5 square minus 4 into a value is 2, c value is 3. D is equals to 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. D is equals to 1. We got D is equals to 1. Now we can say that D is equals to 1 which is greater than 0. D greater than 0. As D greater than 0, you can write as D is greater than 0, 0. Therefore, roots are real and distinct. Condition I have told in the beginning only na. So roots are real and distinct. Let us see next question. Question is, find the roots of equation x minus 1 by x equal to 3 where x is not equal to 0 using formula. They have told we have to solve this by using formula. Okay, let me write the question first. Question number 5. X minus 1 by x equal to 3. So we have to find the roots using formula. First let us multiply this. X into x, x square minus 1 is equal to x into 3, 3x. So let us write in the standard form this properly. X square here only, 3x we will bring minus 3x, minus 1 here only equal to 0. So now this is of the form, or comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A value is 1, b value is minus 3 and c value is minus 1. Now by formula they have told na, so x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equals to minus, formula minus, b value is minus 3 plus or minus root of b square is minus 3 square minus 4, a value is 1, c value is minus 1 upon 2a, a value is 1. So now x is equals to minus minus plus 3 plus or minus root of negative number square is positive, 3 square is 9, minus minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 upon 2 ones are 2. So x is equals to 3 plus or minus 9 plus 4 is 13 by 2. Now therefore x is equals to 3 plus root 13 by 2, because we don't have any root 13 value, or x is equals to 3 minus 1 time plus 1 time minus na, minus root 13 by 2. So this is the question number 5. Let us see the next question now. So the next question is solve. This is like we have to first solve this and make it in the standard form by formula. Okay, this is also question from the paper, previous year paper. So let us solve this. Now how to solve? First let us write 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30. So here what we have to do is we have to cross multiply this into this and this into this. X minus 7 into 1, x minus 7 into 1 is x minus 7 minus x plus 4 into 1, x plus 4. Okay, this into this and this into this we have done, upon denominator also multiply. X plus 4 into x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30 as it is. Okay, first step, that is. Now we will open the bracket. X minus 7 minus x minus 4 upon x into x, x square, x into 7 minus 7x, 4 into x, 4x, 4 7s are 28, plus minus minus 7 4s are 28 is equals to 11 by 30 as it is. Next step, now x get cancel. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11 upon x square. 7 minus 4, minus 7 plus 4 is 3. Greater number is negative, so minus 3x minus 28 is equals to 11 by 30. Now we can see here 11 get cancelled. What is left in next step? Minus 1 upon x square minus 3x minus 28 is equals to 1 by 30. Now let us cross multiply this. We have to just cross multiply. X square minus 3x minus 28 into 1 is same thing. X square minus 3x minus 28 into 1 is equals to 30 into minus 1 is minus 30. Okay, now we will bring all one side. X square minus 3x minus 28 minus 30, if we bring here, plus 30 equal to 0. What we get? X square minus 3x, 30 minus 28 is nothing but 2. Greater sign is plus, so plus 2 equal to 0. We can solve this by formula method. We can compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A value is 1, b value is minus 3 and c value is 2. X is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equals to formula minus b value is minus 3 plus or minus root of b is minus 3 whole square into 4, a value is 1, c value is 2 upon 2a. A value is 1. Minus minus plus 3 plus or minus root of 3 square is 9 minus 4 2s are 8 upon 2 1s are 2. Continue, I will do here. So the next step, x is equals to 3 as it is plus or minus root 1 upon 2. Root 1 is 1 only. So x is equals to 3 plus or minus root 1 is 1 upon 2. So therefore x is equals to 3 plus 1 by 2 or x is equals to 3 minus 1 upon 2. 3 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x is equals to 2 or x is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 2. 2 2 get cancelled 1 or x is equals to 1. So here we got the x value. X is equals to 2 and x is equals to 1. Now in my next video I am going to continue from question number 7, which is from previous year's papers as well as department booklet. Like statement problem we are going to continue. We will have this type of statement problems in my next video. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.